Statistics plays a major role in the world of data science. No one can skip statistics. So let us now try to understand the most important concepts in statistics. What is meant by statistics? It is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and presenting data. So the next question comes, what is data? Data is pieces of information as well as noise. So you can see here, data is given as facts or pieces of information. It is not necessary that it should have only information. It may be having a noise also. For example, we may be getting a notification stating that today we can expect a rainfall. So what is the hidden information here? We are supposed to carry an umbrella. In the same notification, you can see that what was the temperature the last year on the same date, which might be irrelevant, which is basically noise. So carry an umbrella today is the information, right? And the last year's temperature is a noise here. So let me give few more examples. Height of student in classroom. Number of sales in term of revenue of a company. IQ of a students in classroom. So statistics is basically divided into two, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So let us now try to understand about descriptive statistics. Descriptive, describe, explain, which is nothing but explanation about the data. So number one here, measure of central tendency. So here you can see three M's which are mean, median and mode. Central, center, middle. Tendency, which means that mean, median and mode talks about the center of the data. The next one is about measures of dispersion. So measures of dispersion, we should try to understand about the spread of the data. How the spread can be measured with the help of range, deviation, variance, and standard deviation. It is also important to understand about the different type of distribution of data. Bernoulli distribution, uniform distribution, binomial distribution, normal or Gaussian distribution, exponential distribution, and Poisson distribution. So in general, normal or Gaussian distribution has been very important. So what is descriptive statistics? We just describe about the data, explain about the data, where we study about the center of the data, spread of the data, and the type of distribution of the data. So the next one is inferential statistics. Here we cannot study about the entire data. Instead of, we just pull out the sample from the entire data. So we want to know which party will win this election. So here the population data is that the number of people who are eligible to vote. We cannot conduct survey with all the people who are eligible to vote, right? So what we may do, we may pull out a sample of the data. We can conduct an experiment on this sample. Based upon that, we can conclude that this party will win this election, right? So the entire population who are eligible to vote is called as population, and the people on which or on whom we have conducted the survey is called as sample. So in inferential statistics, we can make conclusions about the population by conducting a test on the sample data. So how far it is correct, right? That is the question, because we are not working on the entire population. Instead of that, we are just working on the sample. That is what we need to understand. So under inferential statistics, we will come across the concepts like p-value, significance.